Hello students, today we are going to discuss about need of research. So in last class we could able to know that what are the research and what are the basic principle involved in research or different steps of research, right? So today we are going to discuss about why it is necessary, what is the need of the research, right? So when we talk about need or the applicability of research, generally the main purpose of research are that inform action, whatever the action has been done and taken care, gather evidences for theories, whatever the theories like Louis Pasteur theory or gravity theory or some other any theory which has been given. What are the evidences for that? Or without evidence we cannot propose any theory, right? That's what. And contribute to developing knowledge in the field of study, any kinds of study or any kinds of research where we are developing the knowledge if already theory has been established, right? So research is necessary and valuable because of these seven reason, right? Generally, the first reason or why it is necessary and valuable, it's a tool for building knowledge and facilitating learning, right? Research, it is different, it is one kind of study that we could see in the last class, that here we are building the knowledge, means this has been done, this has not been done, what happened, what not happened, and facilitating the learning process, because one person cannot complete the entire research in that particular field. The scholar will give some knowledge, then some other scholar will continue the same. That's what we are doing, the literature review or literature survey, right? Second thing, it's a means to understand issues and increase public awareness, because findings will ultimately go to the public domain on the publication of your research. So it will create the awareness कि this happened already and this was there. For example, this plant is having anti-diabetic activity, this plant is having hepatoprotective activity, this plant is having analgesic activity, or neurological disorder are going in this many way, these are the symptoms, signs, the how the treatment, diagnosis, I mean all those things, it will come into the public awareness after the findings. Third reason, it help us succeed in business, because in business market research that has to be there, means that's what I given, that if any vehicle it is there, right? Like Honda City, or if any four wheeler or in two wheeler or in three wheeler, what was the selling rate in 2020, what is the selling rate in 2021? So accordingly they can go for the manufacturing and all those things, right? Not only in vehicle, if you go to any goods, any food items, any pharmaceuticals, or it may be anything, right? It also, the fourth reason, it allows us to disprove lies and support the truths. Sometimes there will be the misunderstanding or misbelief that something it is going on, means this particular good it the let's say for example any bathing soap, right? Any bathing soap which is there by the local manufacturer, and it will be considered it is also working as a Dettol soap, or some Lux or whatever you are using. So how we are going to do that? If you will do the research, what are the ingredient in original soap and what are the ingredient in your duplicate which has been going on in the market, and how they are supporting, how they are. So ultimately you will find out, no, this is having this many ingredient which is cheap in quality or poor quality, so you can support the truth in such a way, right? The fifth reason, it is a means to find, gauge, and seize opportunities, right? The level of opportunities, the level of findings it is going to give you, right? Where the work scopes are available. Once you will do the study, like suppose say for example now every people are aware about the COVID-19, so they will be they're concerned with their to improve the immunity. So immunity, so many you could see that in last few months so many immune booster and preparation it is coming into the market. So where opportunity it is there, that will come out. The sixth reason, it promotes a love and a love of and a confidence in reading, writing, analyzing, and sharing valuable information. Right. So that's what in any field, it may be in the reading into the any scientific articles, some novels, it may be any magazines, and writing up any of the articles, newsletters, analyzing them, sharing the valuable information through any platform, right? So that will increase the interest onto the scholars. It provides the nourishment and exercise for the mind, right? How the people, they will start intellectual property, it depend on to the individuals, and they will start doing their own research in their own field, so that will also encouraging, right? So that's what, so let us discuss one by one of these seven different reasons, what happened with the different examples. Say for example, the first one, it's the tool for finding, right, finding the knowledge and facilitating the learning. How the research is required not just for students, right? It is not for the only for the students and academics, but for all the professionals and the non-professionals alike, right? That's what, even in Raitu Bazaar, one farmer, if he is selling any vegetable like sorakai or pumpkin or any kinds of thing, he also can be the part of research. He should have the knowledge that in which season, at on Sunday the customers are coming more, or on Monday or on Tuesday. So any non-professional people also can learn, and that is also they are involved in the research, but they don't know, right? That's what, for non-professionals who value learning, doing research equips them with knowledge. That's what I given the example of farmer, about the world and skills to help them survive and improve their lives. If he know that the Sunday the more customers it is they are coming into the Raitu Bazaar, he will go for the harvesting of his crop on the Saturday night or Sunday morning, so that he can have the good selling rate over there, right? So he can improve his skill to help himself to survive, right? Among professionals or like scientists or scholars or students, findings an interesting topic to discuss or to write about should go beyond personal experience, right? Maybe any professionals, if they are having the interest onto the any life threatening disease like cancer or like HIV, AIDS, so in that topic, if they can go, that will be providing them different findings because their interest there in that topic. Right, so it is again facilitating the learning, determining either what the general public may want to know, right, or what researchers want others to realize or to think about, can serve as a reason to do research, right? D- General public, what they may want to know. For example, during the COVID time, everybody, they were concerned about the COVID related news, whatever the news it used to come into the WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, Google, and in other so many other platform. So they used to only focus on to that kind of research. So if that in that area, what is going on, what the main TRP it is going on, in which topic, everybody wants to discuss, everybody want to work in that field. So that's what, it can be determined and can go on, and it can give the different information. Thus research is an essential component in generating knowledge and vice versa, right? So these are the different points where how it is facilitating the learning and knowledges. Knowledge is commonly described as a factual proposition in the mind of an individual, right? What is your interest? You might be having interest into the film star, into the cricket, into the football, into the Olympics, into the athletic. So where it is not that only you should be into your pharmaceutical labs and you are doing the research onto the plants or tablet or any pharmaceutical doses form. No, it depend on to the mind of individual. It essentially refers to facts based on the objective insights, or study findings processed by the human brain, right? So that's what the Albert Einstein given so many theories, or so many big scientists, or whatever we are studying today, like Lee Mary or Dioscorides and all those things. Why their mind click? Because every human beings, it is individuals, and it can go up to how and which direction the person individual can only find out, right? So that's what it is essential to reverse the fact based on the objective insights. Okay, it can be acquired through various means such as reading books and articles, listening to the experts, like whoever you want. If you want the scientist into the medical field, you can refer them. If you want, if you are liking to any film stars, or if you are having interest into the singing, song, dancing, or acting, or in doing the agriculture work, anything it may be, watching documentaries or investigative shows, right? Conducting scientific experiments, and interacting with other people, among others, right? So this may help to find out your intellect. Fact collected during research can be checked against other sources to ensure their truthfulness and accuracy. Whatever you have got in your research, you need to compare with whatever the finding has been already published and it is there in the public domain, so that you can be truthfulness and the accuracy of your findings. That's what it is. That's what is fascinating. Second reason of research, why it is important, it's a means to understand issues and increase public awareness, right? Because the findings only, now today we are still into the clinical trials of the COVID vaccines. Now every day we want to know what are the symptoms after getting the vaccination, before getting the vaccination, what is going on, what are the different strains are coming, how many strains are there in Telangana, how are there in the. So if somebody is working continuously working, some organization, they are continuously working and they are revealing to the news channels, and it is coming to the public domain. That's what, using research to understand current issue, right? Say for example, here one example given: television shows and movies, both fictional and non-fictional, odds with research. So what happened here, for instance, the Oprah Winfrey, name of the one person, would have not achieved the remarkable success as a news anchor, right? He was the new news anchor. He have not been achieved a remarkable success as a news anchor and a television shows host, had she ensured doing her own research about certain topics and public figures, right? So what this particular the offer Ofra Winfrey, what he did is he did her own research about certain topics. Then he studies them, the how the anchors are doing, how they are anchoring into the news, what are the accents supposed to be there, what are the how the facial expression and all those. Then a remarkable success she got, right? So that's what understand the current issue by the own research, so that you can reach the peak in that particular field. Second, here the using research to understand people, right? Many film and TV actors like Kapil Sharma or Shah Rukh Khan, anyone you can take as example, also take time to interview individuals to better understand their roles. It's not that the whatever the hit movie we are seeing, what for Shahrukh Khan, he has become directly to hero. First, we know that he was working in the one serial called Circus, and slowly he came into the movie, and what he became the superstar. Right. So they took the time. Their success is not. It is they have gone through the different research in steps, and they have taken someone as a role model, how they are doing, what are the characteristic they are having. Actors have worked with detectives, boxers, scientists, business owners, criminals, and teachers, among others, to gain an inside understanding of what it's like to have a certain identity. Say, for example, in Mohabbat movie, Shahrukh Khan played as a one lecturer, music teacher, right? So he has gone through the some kinds of teachers gurukul, like story it is there, all of you know. So what the teacher's life, how the simplicity has to be there, and how what happened in gurukul they have gone through, right? They have worked among these kinds of teachers, then they gain the inside understanding, and they have understand their role and they played, right? So there also it is a part of research, using research to create realistic fictions and stories. A number of films, theaters, plays, broadcast dramas, and online videos present stories based on the real life events and problems like flood, storms, or whatever the things happen, right? Like any criminal activity, bomb blast, terrorist activity, real life events, right? So that's what create the realistic fictions and stories. That's what we can see. The airlift one realistic movies came, uri movie came, and many movies artists there which is based on the real stories, right? So a serious writer or the content producer sees how vital research is in sustaining the context of the stories they are telling, to entertain and educate audiences through different media platform, right? That's what it's not only for the entertainment, it is giving the one kind of messages, right? Say for example, in Deep Blue Sea they were working onto the some shark movies brain one chemical they used to remove, and they were checking into the Alzheimer disease, right? So we are watching that some so many the fish action, it has been included, but it may be the for entertainment, but the main theme they are telling that these are the chemicals can have the some pharmaceutical or some activity among this so and so disease. So like that, realistic fiction that has to be, right? Third main reason, it helps us succeed in business, right? So many business in pharmaceutical marketing, right? Now during the COVID period, the so many paracetamol, like erythromycin, hydroxychloroquine, this selling rate increased. So why it has been increased? Because the COVID attack. Then so likewise, so it the importance of research and development here it is there, right? Research and development means don't think that it should be only into the big laboratory whatever we have seen into the plant tissue culture labs, or the HEPA filter, laminar airflow, oven, soxlate, these that, no, right? Research benefits business, of course. How many successful pharma and non-pharma companies, maybe Dr. Reddy, Novartis, Ranbaxy, Sun Pharma, right? Such as those producing consumer goods or mass market items, invest in research and development or R&D to understand what is going on and to develop the molecules, right? Now, that's what the Bharat Biotech developed the COVID vaccine, right? So how, because they started doing, they invested a lot of funds into the R&D to get the vaccination, right? So that's what they are concerned about. R&D, different industries that involve science and engineering processes like agriculture, food items like, right, different food, biscuit, bread, anything, it may be sweets, or rice items, anything, beverage, right? Different drinks are available, Coca Cola, Thumbs Up, Maza. Manufacturing, healthcare and pharmaceuticals like OTC, antibiotics, and many more, computer software, antivirus, and different medical software, semiconductors, information and communication technologies, the constructions, robotics, different robotics. It is nowadays the robotic scenario. It is going on aerospace for the flying, the airspace, right? Aviations and energy, right? Have high R&D expenses because it is critical to the creation and improvement of their products and services, right? So that's what research and development, it becomes very very important, because it will definitely supporting the business if you are going into the right direction, right product, right good for the right user. Market research and targeted marketing. Research can also help a company to maintain a positive commercial image, retain existing customers, and attract the new customers also through targeted marketing, right? What is going, why you are going for on woodland or bata shoe, there even the so many footwears is also available, because you are having the faith on this particular company, they are having quality products, right? So what they can do to retain their existing customer, they can launch the different designs of the footwear, different quality products, and at the same time they can attract the new customer also, even if they will give the different varieties and with the different utility. Marketing is the type of communications, and for that communications to be effective, business need to understand their customers, right? That's what the ultimately goal is, the customers, what is their demand, and that can be possible only by the market research. It also allow us to disprove the lies or whatever the false things it is going on, and support the truths. If you do the research, background research, that's what background research and private investigations, right? Or it may be like a detective or something, if it is there, then also you are doing, right? Some findings already revealed, like the plant A, say for example any plant A, like take the example Azadirachta indica, neem plant. Plant A is having anti-diabetic activity, okay, but and at the and that is doubtful, right? Somebody told that plant A, it is having anti-diabetic activity. In such case, background research can be done, right? But you can take the plant materials, you can go for extraction, isolation, phytochemical screening, and you can create the diabetic in the particular animal model, and you can check whether the plant is really giving the significant diabetic, able to reduce the blood sugar and urine sugar or not. That can be checked. That's what background research. For the monogamous lot, doing research to disprove or prove the infidelity is one way to find out the truth, right? So that's what private investigation also it is helpful. The field testing and the pre-reviews, that's also scientists also deals with the research to test the validity and the reliability of their claims and those of other scientists. Sometimes we are going for patent, we are going to patent what we are doing, we are claiming that this plant is having anti-cancer activity. So it is not that when you are claiming, there will be the field testing and the review, that whether what are the evidences you submitted, whether it is really working as per your claim or not. So that will be cross checking their integrity, and the competences depend on the quality of their research, scientist research, right? That nevertheless, not everything scientists come up with gets accepted, right? Something has to be done by the different bodies. Scientific work is typically pre-reviewed before being published, okay? That's what in if you go for any publication in elsewhere or in somewhere, they're asking the evidences, they're asking the images, they're asking the videos also, where you have done which lab, what are the evidences you have generated during your research. This means that when an individual publishes research, it is fact checked and investigated for common biases, right? The statistical errors and the methodological issues by others in the field before being shared with the scientific community at large, right? That's what those who are good publisher and the UGC recognized publisher, they want to know everything about your research, right? You cannot simply tell that carica papaya or papaya fruit it is having more digestive property. If you are saying that, you need to produce the proof, right? Fact checking to discover research bias, propaganda, and fake news. That's what fact finding. With the use of internet technology nowadays and the social media, the pseudo journalism has become a social concern. Fake news took center stage during the 2016 the presidential campaign period in the United States. For example, or for instance, the snopes.com, a rumor research site, debunked the following news stories posted online. So, like snopes.com, it is there now in Facebook and WhatsApp. Also, you can see that so many fake news by editing in the different experts are available by editing. They will share into that. And regarding in COVID time, so many fake news used to come, like the Russian president, they have released the lions into the cities so that nobody can come out from their houses because people are roaming with the without the mask and all those things. So likewise fake news that has to be checked properly. Fact now in DD news also, in so many news also, at last 10 minutes of the news they are selling that this video become viral but this is fake, this big video become viral but this is fake, like that. It is a means to find, gauge, and seize opportunities. Research helps people nurture their potential and achieve goals by taking advantage of various opportunities. Right? Then this can mean securing employment, yes, being awarded scholarships or grants, different research grants and awards that can be insecure, right? Securing the project fundings, initiating a business collaboration with some kind, like suppose if we are going for collaboration with Nipar or Manipal or any other industry, like finding budget travel opportunities and securing other little wins, right? So that's what research it is, uh, giving the platform, right? Suppose if you are writing any protocol and applying for the different like DST is there, DBT is there, Department of Science and Technology, Department of Biotechnology, they are the government funding agency, they will provide the fund to do the research in the college level, suppose to. So if you will apply, I want to do the anti-diabetic activity in Avanti Institute of Pharmaceutical Science, these are the facilities are available and these are the plant. So like that, you if you apply, so they will be thinking and they are providing you the platform that suppose you are claiming 3 lakh rupees, so 2.5 lakh they will release, it will come into the college fund and you can work as per 6 month, 1 month, 1 year, how time you have given, like that, right? And the collaboration, finding budget and all those things, travel, like if you want to publish any of your article into the international conferences, you can apply for travel grants also, the young scientist travel support, that funding agencies they are giving, even Tata is also giving, right? So likewise, using research to maximize job and career options. Yes, nowadays you can see in the CCMB or IICT, there every 2 months some projects will be there, like M Form required or PhD required, MSc, BSc, biotech, like right. For those looking for the job or shaking the greener pastures, and research is necessary. With the research, an individual can increase their chances to finding employment by securing job posting sites or contacting employment agencies. That's what you, if you visit the farmer tutors, B form it is required also, junior scientist, senior scientist, right? And it will be the project, 11-month project, 2 year project, there you can work in the part of project and you will be getting as a scholarship or as a salary, right? And you have to work in that, like anti cancer, anti diabetic, anti hepatoprotective, like that. Using research to maximize investment also, right? So many industries they are thinking to invest into the some like in COVID vaccines, lot of fund they have invested and the trials has gone, right? So likewise research also benefits civil society and its members, of course the social people also it is benefiting. Why? How? Securing funding for the projects and the research initiatives is a top concern for those who want to address social issues, any type, anything, anti-hypertension or any, those who want to project, they can be the part of the clinical trial and so on. However, not all funding organizations like DST, DBT, or Tata accept a proposal year round. Sometimes they will be giving once in a 6 month, once in a year, nor they, nor are they all interested in solving the same type of social problems. Even though the lot of investment they are planning, and every time the projects it is coming into the different government and the non-government laboratories like CCMB, IICT, these two it is there in Hyderabad, so they like that it is coming. Sixth reason, that it promotes a love of reading, writing, analyzing, and sharing valuable information. Yes, if you will get the interest into the research, or if you'll publish one article, definitely you will be having the fun, and you will be having full interest onto that field. Research for the critical thinking, right? Research the entails both reading and writing. These two literacy functions help maintain critical thinking and comprehension. Without this skill, research is far more difficult. Of course, reading and writing, because you ultimately you are going to write your findings, and that's what reading opens the mind to a vast reservoir or of knowledge, while writing helps us express our own perspectives and transform our thoughts into more concrete ideas in the way others can understand. That's what, if you are using good vocabulary, if you are using good flowability in your language, and it should be reached to your targeted audience, then only it will be effective. That's what reading and writing, it is very much important here to promote sharing research for wider understanding. With the array of ideas floating around, and the interconnectedness of the people and place through the internet, scholars and non-scholars involved in research are able to share the information with large audiences, right? That's what some view this process as a ego boosting, while others see it is as a means of stimulate interest and encourage further research into the certain issue and situation. At last, it provide the nourishment and exercise for the mind, of course, right? Some people will be having interest into the medical research, some people are having non-medical research, so critical thinking and mental health, right? Here one example given: the several studies have shown that the mentally stimulating activities like doing research can contribute to brain health, right? In educating the brain to avoid dementia, can mental exercise prevent the Alzheimer disease, right? So the Margaret Getz in 2005, what she enumerated research finding that support the such position, right? And even for the another example, COVID-19 vaccination now, right? So those who have involved into the manufacturing of vaccines, they might have gone through the entire things, the anatomy, physiology of the virus, what are the dose, so many clinical trial go on. So that's what it exercised the minds, and they have selected the scientists, those who have already worked in the different vaccination, the senior scientists, the senior experts, right? So the research it providing, ultimately we can say that it is providing the so many platform, and it is also helpful into the public awareness of the scholars, those who are working into the different research, already they are getting, because that's what I told in my last class, that the finding should be truthness, right? It should be truthfulness, and it should not misguide the other scholars, public domains, and the your targeted
Definitely.
audience, right? So likewise we can.